Okay, we are here at the Deep Search Metal Detecting Hunt. We're going to make it our best day. Do you guys need any help carrying stuff out of the car?
No, this is it. This is all we're bringing in.
Okay. All right, here we go. We're going to have an exciting, fun day here. We got all the gang. Woo!
Oh wow.
Vanquish 540.
You guys got your bikinis for today? We're gonna have a bikini run.
I thought we were not. This is a nude beach.
Yeah, well, I don't know. Doug might not be good.
All right. Oh, did you find it?
I got it in Okay, so we are here at this beautiful Deep Search Metal Detecting Day. We're going to get some detecting on, meet some people here.
Yep. I believe it. If you told me it was your ninth, I wouldn't believe it. Congratulations, man.
Is this the registration one? I need a windshield wiper for my camera.
I just got a pair of them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They're nice.
I'm gonna try them out today.
What do you get? You mean the Aquatex or something?
Yeah, hydroponic.
Yeah.
You know that we have coffee and like cupcakes and stuff like that in the corner over there.
Oh, okay.
Help yourself.
Cool, thank
and there's water and soda over there too. It's help yourself. And then we're gonna have hot dogs for lunch today.
Awesome.
Okay.
So we are here at the Pavilion Metal Detecting. It's a seated hunt. It's a beautiful day. You guys around here. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. We're gonna get this. Let's go see if we can meet some people and tighten the hatches down. Alright, we got all the diehards here. Look at that. Make some magic happen here. Check it out. Here we go. Look at that. Beautiful beach. My best day ever. Adventure time. Awesome. Look, we found a nice toy truck. Wow. Woohoo! Look at everybody ready to hunt. Look at that. Think I took a bad spot. Look at that. It's a warm-up hunt. Check it out. Rain or shine, here we are. Look at that. Alright, we are on fire here. Woohoo! Stop here. Deep Search. It's our warm-up hunt. Beautiful day. Best day ever. Oh, David. That old man dog. Get down with that. Woohoo! Got it in the scoop. Got it in the scoop. Look at that. Woohoo! Another one. Look at that. Indian. Got an Indian. Alright, we are on fire here. Woohoo! Stop here. Deep Search. Woohoo! Got another target. Right on top of the ground there. Look at that. Woohoo! Yeah, good. All right, check it out. We got some buffaloes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tickets there. 5. Look at that. We're setting it on fire here. Look at that. Got a Thailand coin. Holy moly. We got a coin from Thailand. That's where my wife's at right now in Thailand. That's $5. Yeah.
Buffalo nickels.
Yeah. This is an odd one here. Whatever that one is, weird. See what he thinks of it. Yeah, for tickets. What's that there? Is that a foreign coin or is that like a zipper or something? I've never seen a coin like that.
Yeah, they said there's going to be some foreign stuff like that.
Awesome. All right, we gotta go cash our funds in. Look at that. We're gonna go cash our tokens in. Check it out. We did awesome. Got a whole handful.
Okay, you're gonna go get your tickets and then
Yeah.
you said you want to help seat?
Yep. Let's go. Play the game. We're gonna do some seeding and we're gonna make things grow. Alright, check it out. A little wet here. These guys cleaned up too.
How many buffaloes?
I got 5. I got 5 down at Tim Boys. I cleaned up. Thank you. Check it out. Alright, we're going to do some seeding. There he goes. I thought that was you standing there.
Okay, you see how there's quadrants? This guy's doing, that guy's doing that one, this one's doing that one.
Got you in my box.
Now you're going to spread it out as best you can.
All over the place. Make it fun.
What the best thing to do is, ready? You go sideways, whip it in, okay? Then you can just kind of still through.
Alright. Maybe you have to let that go. Look at that. Can't even get it down. See it's behind. Alright. Handful right here. Alright, awesome. No, my coins are bouncing off the ground.
Yeah. You can't see. You think you're in the spot.
Woohoo! Best day ever. Look at everybody. All the smart people are on this side. Holy moly! Wheels up! that line. How many red caps are out there? Is red caps common or less common? He got, oh man, he got 2 of them. 2 black. I'm hoping maybe a black might be special. I'm hoping it did something with the colors.
Yeah,
Good.
it's by color.
Yeah, awesome. Does anybody got a lot of blackness? Oh, that's good.
Not a lot overall though.
Yeah. I think the red, I've seen less red ones. I only got 1 red one.
2 reds? Were there total?
No. Wow. That's a nice coin. You found that? Wow, awesome.
Yeah, look back at that. That's a beautiful shape. House or farm?
It was a sod farm.
Sod farm, really?
A sod farm, you believe that? True.
In a spot where it was like a gully, always filled with water. But the sun dried it up, so I took a shot. It was all muddy. 2 seconds.
Anything else in there with it, or?
No, that was it. I stayed there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and that was it.
Look at that. We got our tickets. Okay, so we are here. 520. That's it right there, right? 50. Yeah, we got a winner. Bingo! See, we got bingo. Tried to say, look, I almost washed it away too. Look, there you go.
Give me that so you don't.
Yeah.
There you go.
Awesome. Oh, wow. Yeah, wow. And a little picture.
520494.
I'm not winning no more. Let's see. Last chance.
322.
Not me. Say cheese.
What's up, everybody? We got a pair of glasses. I'm sorry you couldn't. Anybody missing glasses? Guys been kicking somebody out there.
Anyone did not get a bottle cap?
4. You get on 4 until Alex get a bottle cap, right?
And they stole one.
Alex, I'm sorry you couldn't make it, brother. Hopefully we'll see you on the next one.